Check this out. This kid's channel is making a lot of money. The videos are hugely popular, with the top one reaching 31 million views. Surprisingly, the visuals in these videos are quite basic and don't need complex production. According to Social Blade, this channel earns between $3K and $48K per month, totaling an impressive $571K annually. It's truly amazing. There are other channels like this one that are also achieving similar success. If you're considering starting your YouTube channel but are stuck for ideas, you could explore creating children's learning content. AI tools can help you quickly make similar videos. In this video, I'll show you the easiest method to create these animations. Stay tuned as I'll present the full sample video at the end. Step 1. We turn to our old friend, Chat GPT. We ask it to generate a script for our video by inputting the prompt. Please write a kid's learning video script for me. Set the background on the farm. The host is a dog who introduces himself and then introduces his friends pig, cow, goat, and chicken to the audience. The animals briefly introduce themselves. The audience is preschoolers, so the tone should be engaging, and the wording as simple as possible to make it easy for children to understand. The video is about 2 minutes long. Feel free to replace the story background and animals with your preferences. If you have better prompts, go ahead and use them. But remember, your prompts should be as detailed as possible to avoid duplication, preventing potential demonetization issues. Okay, Chat GPT swiftly responds, and we can see that it has provided details from the scene to the character's actions. Now let's move on to the step 2, using a text-to-speech tool to generate voiceovers. I personally prefer 11 Labs, which I consider the most user-friendly AI text-to-speech tool currently available. Each user has a free quota of 10,000 characters per month. We go to the speech synthesis interface and choose a voice you like. Each voice sample has corresponding text, and we'll listen to this childish voice, which seems suitable for today's video.
Happiness can exist only in acceptance.
I think it's perfect. However, remember that our video has 5 different characters, so we need 5 different voices. We head to the voice library, search for childish, and find samples with young voices. Choose your preferred voice, click Add to Voice Lab, change the voice name to the corresponding character name, and click Add Voice. In Voice Lab, select the character you want to generate. Click Use. Paste the text generated by Chat GPT into the text box, click Generate, and listen to the result.
Hi, everyone. I'm Oink, the pig. I love rolling in the mud and eating yummy vegetables.
Can you even tell it's AI generated? Click to download. A crucial note here is not to input all the characters' lines at once. Generate and label the voiceovers in sections according to the script's order. This way you can easily organize the voiceovers later. After generating all the voiceovers, we move on to the third step. Creating the animation. First, we need a forest background. Go to Leonardo.ai, enter the prompt. Farm background for kids, animation. Choose aspect ratio 16, 9, and fine-tuned model as your taste. I'll choose 3D animation style. Then click Generate and wait a moment. Great, just click the image and download it. Next, let's go to Canva for the animation part. Choose Videos, YouTube Video, and add the farm background you just saved. Right-click and select Set Image as Background. Let's start with an opening. Click on Text, add a text box, paste the title. Split it into 2 text boxes for a more pleasing look. Change text color. Choose a cute font. Adjust the font size and add some text effects. Then let's add animation to both the image and text. Select the image. Click Animate. Choose Photo Zoom under Photo Movement and select both. Do the same for the text. Something is still missing. Music. Click on Elements. Search for Happy Children. Choose Audio. This one is nice. Add it to the timeline. Check the preview. Excellent. Our opening is ready. Now let's move on to the animation part. Add a new page. Upload the background image and bring in our first character, the dog. Search for dog. Select a dynamic asset. Adjust the size and position and set an entrance animation. Click Create an Animation to create custom animations by dragging the material to design its animation trajectory. For example, I want the dog to step into the screen from the side, so I set its starting point and dragged it forward. Adjust the speed and it's done. Simple, right? Next, import the voiceovers. Click on Uploads. Choose Audio. Select the uploaded voiceovers. You can upload your own from here. Drag the dog's first line onto the timeline. Right-click on the dog, select Show Timing. Set the dog's entrance time, and then set the voiceover's time slightly later than the dog's entrance. Preview it.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to the farm. I'm Buddy the dog, and I'm so happy you're here to join me today. Let's go meet my friends.
It should look something like this. Now follow the dialogue order. Add characters and voiceovers to the scenes one by one. It's straightforward. I spent about 3 minutes on this. If you find it challenging to keep up, give this video a thumbs up or subscribe to this channel. You can watch it repeatedly next time. Once finished, click download. In the final step, we'll use CapCut to add subtitles. Import the animation we created earlier. Add it to the timeline. Go to the text menu and choose Auto Captions to generate subtitles. Uncheck Apply to All in the upper right corner. This is to facilitate adjusting the subtitle positions later. If you don't uncheck it, when you adjust the position of one line, all other lines will move accordingly. Now change the subtitle color to blue or any color you prefer. Next, let's add some dialogue bubbles to make the scene more interesting. In the stickers menu, choose Cartoon. Select this dialogue box. Place it below and align with the subtitles so they sync. Adjust the size and position of the bubble. Move each line into the bubble one by one and adjust the position and capitalization. Following the same method, add dialogue boxes for each character. Once done, you can export the video. Let's take a look at the finished product.
Hi everyone, welcome to the farm. I'm Buddy the dog, and I'm so happy you're here to join me today. Let's go meet my friends. Here's Oink the pig. Oink, say hello to our friends.
Hi, everyone. I'm Oink, the pig. I love rolling in the mud and eating yummy vegetables.
Look over there, it's Daisy the cow.
Hello, little friends. I'm Daisy. I give milk that you drink with your breakfast.
And here's Billy the goat. Say hi, Billy.
Hi everyone, I'm Billy. I love climbing rocks and eating grass.
Last but not least, here's Clucky the chicken.
Hi, little friends. I'm Clucky. I lay eggs that you eat for breakfast.
Aren't my friends amazing? We have so much fun on the farm. I hope you had fun meeting my farm friends today. Remember, there's so much to learn and explore on the farm. Join us next time for more adventures.
It's quite an impressive video with minimal effort. You can do it better if you give proper time. So give maximum effort, even you are making an animation with AI. Okay, now upload the video to your YouTube channel and generate real money. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Please help me like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to leave your comments below about the AI tools that you need me to review. Thanks for watching.